Okay, this is HomeLink 5.9, Practice with Decimals. Your child has been using the metric system to practice measurements and to convert centimeters to meters. The following equivalencies will assist you in helping your child solve problems 3 through 6. 1 centimeter equals 10 millimeters. 1 meter equals 100 centimeters. 1 meter equals 1,000 millimeters. Number 1 asks us to fill in the number, and this is starting with 1/100ths. So my next one will be 200ths, 300ths, 400ths, 500ths, 600ths, 700ths. Number 2 is asking us to fill in the number line again. It starts with 7/10ths. So we'll go to 8/10ths, 9/10ths. Then it's going to go to 1 whole, 10/10ths or 1 whole. And then it will be 1 1/10, 1 2/10, 1 3/10, 1 4/10, and I know that I was doing this correctly because the last one is 1 5/10 from the worksheet. Numbers 3 through 6, make a dot at 7 centimeters and label it with the letter A. This is our centimeter ruler. I'm finding 7 centimeters, and I'm going to label it A. Make a dot at 90 millimeters and label it with the letter B. Now, we're going to millimeters here, and I'm on a centimeter ruler, but I know from up here that 1 centimeter equals 10 millimeters. So it is, I can take and put my mark right here on the 9 centimeters, which is also 90 millimeters, and this I'm going to label B. Number 5 is asking me to make a dot at 13/100ths millimeter and label it with the letter C. Now looking up here, I know that 1 meter is 100 centimeters. So 13/100ths is also going to be the same as having 13 centimeters is the same as having 13/100ths of a meter. So this will be labeled C. Make a dot at 6/100ths of a meter and label it with the letter D. 6/100ths is going to be the same because there's 100 centimeters in my meter, so it'll be the same as 6 centimeters, and that's where my D will go. 7 through 12 are asking us to practice our multiplication. If your child knows them, have them fill them right in. If they still need to go ahead and use the circle and star method that we learned in class, they can also do that. But 3 times 9 is 27. 5 times 8 is 40. They can also skip count on these. 0 times 8 is going to be 0. They should know without hesitation that 0 times anything is 0. What equals 2 times 6? So I'm going to put in my 12 because 12 equals 2 times 6. Blank equals 3 times 3.
Good afternoon, Great Falls. Would all students being picked up by their